In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add and remove an account on Bloxlink. So let's start with how to add an account. When I run /verify, it gives me my old account. So to add a new account, let's open a new tab and head to the website blox.link. Once the page loads, click the sign in with Discord button in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click authorize. Now click your username in the top right corner and click dashboard. Now that we're logged in, we can add a new account. Go ahead and click add another one right here. Now let's verify our new account, and I'll go through this a little quickly. But if this is your first time verifying, I have two videos for you in the description below. For this video, I'll use the game verification. We'll go ahead and put in our new Roblox username, then click next. Then click open verification game. Then once the website loads, make sure you're logged on to the correct Roblox account. Then join the game. Once you're in the game, it'll ask if this is you. If it is, click yes. Now we can head back to the Bloxlink website. You can select which servers to verify in, but I highly recommend you leave them all selected. Once you finish choosing, scroll down and click confirm. And you're done, your new account has been added. If you want this new account to be your primary account, then click on the verifications tab on the left. Then click the star icon next to the new account. That's your new primary account. If we head back to our Discord server and type /verify, you should be given your new roles and nickname for your new account. Now if you want to unlink or delete an old account, make sure it's not a primary account, and then hover over the trash can icon and click it. And that's it, your old account has been deleted. If this tutorial helped you, then make sure to like and subscribe, and comment below if you want me to cover other things about Bloxlink.